Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram broadcast channel option not showing. So the first thing is you want to click on your messenger looking icon at the top right. It's going to show you an arrow, doesn't matter. It's going to take you to the same place. Over here at the top you can see a little pen and pencil icon at the top right. Click on it and basically it should show you an option called broadcast channel. So just like in my case, if it is not showing you this option, then the first thing you need to do is convert your account into a creator account. In order to do that, you can click on your profile picture at the bottom right and click on the three line at the top and go on where it says settings, and from inside settings you want to go on account. From account you want to click on switch account type and click on switch to creator account. But my account is already a creator account, that's why it's not showing me the option, but you need to do that. Once you convert your account into a creator account, the broadcast channel feature should be available to you. If it is not available to you, then you can report this problem as well and Instagram staff will fix it from their end. You can click on your profile picture at the bottom and click on the three line at the top right and go on where it says settings, and from inside settings you want to click on help. Over here click on report a problem and click on where it says report problem without shaking and click on where it says don't including continue at the bottom. Now over here describe your problem. You want to write this: I don't have the feature of broadcast channel on my Instagram, can you help me fix it? After you write this, just click on send at the top right. And this problem will be sent to Instagram and Instagram staff will view it and they'll help you fix a problem. That's how you guys can fix the Instagram broadcast channel option not showing issue. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.